I think companies are absolutely on target to hitting the budgets that we expected for this year in 2019, and I would definitely say halfway through the year, we'll exceed. It's interesting. We're finally at a point, especially in the small and medium business sector, where I feel business owners are starting to realize that IT is no longer the non-revenue generating department in their company that spends all of their money, and more so, they're vital to their success in growing the company and keeping their company secure from cybercrime. I would say most every business owner that I come across now is absolutely looking at business process, right? The idea moving forward has become, how do we continue to grow the company vertically through revenues and not necessarily horizontally through people and payroll? So the only way to do that is to start to make decisions about hiring technology or hiring more people, which means that if you hire technology, you also need to look at your process and eliminate redundant and repetitive tasks that your people today are doing. One example would definitely be the manufacturing industry. While they've traditionally been a little slower to embrace technology and get technology into the fold of their business, you're seeing a rapid uptick. A couple examples, one in particular here local, a manufacturing firm in the greater Milwaukee area that's probably only about 70 to 100 employees, but they have pretty rigorous growth plans over the next 5 years. And as we started to get together with the leadership team there and understand current processes, there's a lot of things that you realize. You realize, just as a couple examples, that when you're thinking about open order reports and scheduling of a manufacturing process, how cumbersome that is. People were literally spending 2 or 3 days per week just uploading Excel spreadsheets with information. You think about customer service representatives that are involved with order taking. It's not uncommon that in those same environments, those folks are going out to portals, right? Maybe customer or vendor related, to pull down whether it's invoices, shipping information, whatever the documentation might be, to simply be rekeyed into a system, right? So again, what you're starting to see is people are understanding that tasks that don't require cognitive thinking can be eliminated through automation and technology. I see the industry in the next 5 years really continuing to focus on most of the automation strategies we've been talking about. So again, AI will continue to ramp up and be more mainstream. You're going to continue to see low-code break down barriers with old business process management platforms. And you're going to continue to see the emphasis on being secure, right, from an infrastructure, cybersecurity.